This is a 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has a 4-speed automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include XM satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are included: air conditioning, external temperature display, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, side curtain airbags, a bed liner, dusk-sensing headlights, a trailer hitch receiver, and this vehicle has less than 46,000 miles. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.